Good morning, guys. So just wanted to quickly go over the assignment for this week. So we're in the start of week 3 of our week 2 and 3 assignments. So we're still working on our Desert Island Challenge. And realistically, this is going to follow the same pattern for the next few weeks here. So what you'll do is you want to click on to the web page. And once you get to the web page, you can, hopefully you already have watched the video and read through the different challenges, because you're going to be picking one to do. Some of you have already done a challenge. So once you decide which one you want to do, you can click on it. You can read through the additional information here. Remember, these are suggested materials, so if you don't have them and you want to use something else at home, that's fine. I would encourage you to use maybe things that would otherwise be being recycled, like cardboard boxes, toilet paper tubes, stuff like that that you don't need in your house.
Mama.
Wait 1 second, I'm filming something for school. Once you do that, you are going to click on the plan and design document.
Mom.
And from here, you're going to make a copy. So to make a copy, you just go to File, Make a Copy, and then you would rename it, putting in your name. Once you have your own copy, you're going to go in and answer all the questions, describing the problem, what do you want to happen, you're brainstorming, coming up with the different materials you're going to use. Again, pick what works for you, what you have access to at home, drawing it. We would encourage you to use Google Drawing, so you can just insert a drawing right from here. But certainly some people have said they prefer to draw it on paper, and that's okay too, as long as you're putting a picture in of what that looks like. So you would just be inserting an image, and you would either put it from your camera or your photos, and then test your design, tell us what happened, give some ideas for what you would like to do differently next time. It's okay if your design doesn't work. It's more about the process than the product. And then put in a photo or a video here of that design that you made. Okay, some of you have already done this, turned it in. You've done an excellent job. Really great to see all of your different designs. We don't have any brownies, no. Okay. Once this document is all set, you're going